Everyone. Yeah, so today is another product review, and I'm revealing the ordinary Mandelic acid 10% plus HA. Okay, um, it's not long I bought this exfoliant. I've used the Inkilis before, the Inkilis brand before. The videos up here, and I gave a review on the Inkilis brand. But I just said to myself, let me try the ordinary brand because I haven't tried it before. I just wanted to try it and see what it feels like on my skin. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm an esthetician and I talk about skincare in this channel. So if you like what you're watching, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and also the notification bell so it can keep you up to date on when I upload new videos. Please help me to give this video a thumbs up and also share it. Thank you so much. Now let's get to the video. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this product, what it does to your skin, why you should use it, and then do I recommend that you use it. Okay, I'm going to do like a short demo to show you how I have been using it. So this is the ordinary brand, and if you've been watching all my videos, you know how I love the ordinary brand. I think it's one of the brands that their products, they're very effective and all skin types and skin tones can use it, and they also value for money. So the products are cruelty free, which I love, and it works well. So it is a good brand, the ordinary brand. Anybody can afford it because they do different meals, so 30 mil, 50 mil, 100 mil, you know, goes on and on. Yeah, so Mandelic acid is basically a gentle exfoliant. So when something is an exfoliant, it means it helps to remove dead skin cells, and it treats like skin dullness. So if you have more like dullness in complexion, so it helps to treat that. It also gives you treat uneven skin tone. So for someone that has acne issues or dark spots, white hairs or blackheads, sun damage, and a chemical exfoliant like this will help to more like normalize your skin tone and give you that radiant skin that you're looking for. Okay, so this particular product also helps with skin irregularities, meaning it will remove like for someone that has like premature aging sign, because premature aging is not what you want to, you know, to experience. It's not, it doesn't the appearance is not the best. So I use it 3 times a week, and I use it mainly at night, and the reason is because it's an exfoliant. Okay, so enough of the talking. Let me do a quick demo to show you how I use it. All right, now let's start. So the truth, this is what my face looks like afterwards. I really love it. It doesn't cause any irritation on my face, and it does really remove dullness on my skin the following morning. Okay, it's something that I like, and if you're interested in using this, Mandelic acid is a very gentle exfoliant. It's not gonna irritate your skin or cause any burning or anything, because it's gentle. It's one of the gentlest exfoliant with azelaic acid. I just love the both of them, and this brand is good. Okay, so this is it. Go grab yours from the ordinary brand. Thank you so much, my favorite people, for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.